Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop touching the screen or pressing any of the buttons on your watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by tapping on the screen, then press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it of course. In settings, look for the option called display and select it, and here look for the option called screen timeout and select it. As you can see, we have three durations. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 30 seconds. 10 seconds is the default one and recommended. It uses the least amount of the battery life because the screen turns off quicker. Then we have 15 seconds. It will use more battery life, but it's like a middle ground. And 30 seconds is the longest one. I don't really recommend to use it, but if you're fine with it, basically sacrificing the battery life for the screen to stay longer, go ahead and choose it if you like it. And then you can press the crown button once you select something you like, and now my screen will turn off after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen on my watch, after 15 seconds it will turn off. In my case it won't turn off completely because I have always on display enabled, so it will show me this outline of the watch face basically. But that's how it works. Now the screen is dim. If the always on display will be disabled, it will completely turn off. Okay. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.